Finding low competition keywords using SEO tools is one of the best ways to boost your website's traffic without getting lost in a sea of search results. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes using tools that are both powerful and easy to use. Stick with me until the end, and I'll even give you an exclusive free trial to one of the best tools on the market so you can follow along. Now, when you're looking for low competition keywords, you don't just want to pick random terms. The goal is to find keywords that have decent search volume, but aren't yet saturated with too many competitors. First up, start by choosing a reliable SEO tool. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest are all good options, but I'm going to recommend the one that gives you an exclusive free trial at the end of the video. So make sure to stick around for that. Once you're in the SEO tool of your choice, head over to the keyword research section. Here's where things get interesting. Start by inputting a broad topic related to your niche. This could be something like fitness tips or digital marketing strategies. The goal is to get a starting point to see what kind of search volume you're dealing with. From there, use the filter options to narrow things down to keywords that have low competition. Typically, you'll be looking for keywords with a low keyword difficulty score. For example, in Ahrefs, you'll see a keyword difficulty score, which helps you gauge how tough it will be to rank for a particular keyword. Look for terms with a difficulty score under 20. These keywords are typically much easier to rank for, especially if you're just starting out. Next, focus on search intent. Don't just go for the low competition keywords. Make sure they're relevant to your target audience and their search intent. For example, if you find a keyword like beginner yoga poses, but your site is focused on advanced yoga, that keyword wouldn't be the right fit for you. Look for keywords that match what your audience is actually searching for, but are still easy enough to rank for. Another trick is to find long tail keywords. These are longer phrases that are highly specific and typically less competitive. For instance, instead of targeting just SEO, go for something like how to find low competition keywords for SEO tools. Long-tail keywords usually have lower competition and can bring in more targeted traffic. Don't forget to analyze the SERPs. After finding potential low competition keywords, take a look at the search engine results pages, SERPs, to check if other websites are ranking for those keywords. You want to see if there are opportunities where the top ranking websites are not overly authoritative, meaning you have a better shot at competing. Now, a good SEO tool will also show you related keywords. These are variations of your original keyword that might be less competitive but still relevant. By using the related keywords feature, you can expand your keyword list with more low competition options. Once you've gathered a list of potential keywords, prioritize them based on their search volume and how relevant they are to your audience. Low volume keywords may be tempting, but make sure there's still enough search interest to drive meaningful traffic. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway from this video. The key to finding low competition keywords is using a reliable SEO tool, filtering out high difficulty terms, and focusing on long tail keywords that match your audience's intent. This strategy gives you a much higher chance of ranking and driving traffic to your site with less effort. To recap the steps. First, use an SEO tool to find keywords, filter out high competition terms, focus on low difficulty keywords, target long tail phrases, and always check the SERPs for competition. And remember, the SEO tool I recommend in this video comes with an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below, so be sure to grab it and start finding low competition keywords today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that link for your free trial.